Hello everybody, Ben Peel here, aka Botanical Fanatical, and this is my recipe for innovation. First of all, you're going to need imagination. What imagination does is let you see your vision and share your vision. Second of all, you're going to need a huge amount of creativity. What creativity let me do is throw the same ball to the same end result by a whole different journey. That's thinking outside of the box. And third of all, you're going to need a huge amount of you're going to need a massive amount of determination, because every shot fired is not going to land on target. Recipe for innovation. Have a good day, everybody.